Months of planning for this. Yeah, donut here. Every year we come to Goodwood, Red Bull UK team have always sorted out some type of film shoot. Tonight we're going to be doing a film shoot with Mad Mac and the Formula One. So P1 versus F1. That'll be good to catch up with Patrick again and do some driving. It's a bit moist, mate. I don't mind. Patrick, in fact, doesn't mind either, even though he's going to be the one outside in a Formula One getting covered in all my debris and rain and water and everything else.
Could get a drone up, but like it's just a bit, you know, drop on the lens and it's just cooked.
It's a good call.
Yeah, good call.
Yeah.
Sweet, it's 7 AM at
Cool.
the track. I've suggested that we go down to the circuit tomorrow because we have better weather. We're going to go do a recce, so we're going to go down the circuit now. And me and Patrick can figure out what we can do.
So then we come up here.
And then can we pull a Spitfire out of the hangar?
We've got another like 1940s old warbird called a Harvard, so we can get the plane round there.
I mean, it's an amazing opportunity to be able to go up the driveway, so definitely appreciate that. But this is going to be even cooler, just for the driving side of it.
Yeah.
Freaking got a plan, mate. It's going to be a very special day tomorrow.
We're shooting Mad Mac and an F1 car, the RB7, which is really exciting. Going to basically joust and chase each other around the Goodwood circuit. It's going to look amazing and it's such a great project to do for Mad Mac to kind of release out into the world.
Dude, we just want to film this unreal motor. GoPros, action cams, FPV drones, and just trying to think of the most creative way to shoot some of the most creative vehicle stuff. I can't even get around, the wing's too big.
If we did a lead and a chase, if we're doing it twice, I'll lead one and then Patrick leads one. First one, I'll probably just go behind you, like go with you. And then the next one, if you're tight, then I might go around that outside, make a tornado.
I think it is going to be really tight to get this all done in 2 hours, so we just need to be really hustling all the time.
Yeah, blow the cobwebs out and burn some rubber. Next section, we're just going to start from across the road. Yeah, we've got like a through the tunnel going around, then we're going to do donuts around like an old warbird, so pretty cool.
There's obviously a lot of cameramen here kind of shooting the pretty stuff, but there's so much that goes on behind the scenes with, you know, drones, cameramen, production teams. I think a lot of people kind of miss that, to be able to showcase the hard work that kind of goes into this and the level we're at. I mean, we've got a P1 and an F1 car together. It's a dream project.
Dude, look at that thing. What the f***? Yeah, everything's going really well, dude. Really, really well. Planes have been wheeled out, so, you know, something's going right.
Important to do these projects because we get to blend all the partners that are on these projects together to enjoy what is a beautiful build, but also tell the story of not only the car, but the brands that help make it happen.
We've got some noise issues because his car's too loud.
Yeah. No, it's just, it's like, when you start it up, I'm in the car like, whoa.
Hopefully make it around this pretty tight corner in an F1 car, which will be fun. And then, burn some rubber around a Spitfire. Pretty mental. Crazy.
I'm getting way more comfortable in it now. Like, I know this is, you know, doing hot laps. I also treat this as shakedown and just more seat times. Like every single lap I'm doing, yeah, it's good. Just learning the chassis more and more. That was fun, a lot of fun. Yeah. Patrick's friggin' crazy. That thing's got no steering lock. He's literally drifting it round through all the trees. I kind of like hesitated a bit as I left foot brake and then you just whap through that paddock.
I tried to play a little bit, yeah. It was good fun. It was really good. It was just very slippery out there, but still so much fun. Also the donuts, it worked out really well.
To bring a single heritage car, it's not too bad, to be perfectly honest with you. We know the sort of the cars inside and out. We know how well they run and how sort of easy they are to run compared to sort of the current cars, the hybrids and everything like that. Something that we would normally do when we're running the RB7 is to take two cars with us, such that we've got a primary car and a spare car in case we have some issues. In this instance, because of livery changes and everything like that, we're running the RB7 here in historic livery. We've only got the one car available to us, so we just want to make sure that we're not having ourselves over, basically.
Time crunch. We've got a nice, kind extra 30 minutes, which is lovely. Yeah, Goodwood have been very, very nice to us.
P1 versus F1 is done. I don't know who actually won.
The crowd.
Crowd, yeah. Oh, that's all that matters.